Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I wanted to create something really easy, fun, and summery. And I know I bought this palette a little while ago. I think it was in the beginning of the year. I got this and the Soda Pop palette. And I really liked the way that palette was, so I really wanted to give this one a shot. And I also had a couple of other products I really wanted to test out, so this was the look I came up with. If you guys want to see how I got this look and what I think about this palette, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with some Coral Punch. And I'm going to work this into my crease. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it is leaving a really nice wash of pink. So now I'm just taking that bright pink, which is Ice Pop right here, and I'm using the same brush, and I'm just going to work this onto the outer portion of my eye. The shadows seem to be blending in really nicely with each other. And I'm not going in with a heavy hand, and everything is going on exactly the way I was expecting it to. Going in with that same hot pink, just going to start working on my lower lash line, and I'm using a Sigma Blending E25 brush. And I'm putting most of that product on the outer portion of the eye, and then what's ever left over, I'm gently running it on to the inner portion. I think I'm also going to go in with a little bit of this yellow and bring this into the inner portion. So I'm not really sure if the camera is picking this up, but that yellow it's not a really bright yellow, but it kind of gives your inner corner, well, your inner corner a more brighter, more awake look and feel. So I am liking that. It is very subtle, but I don't mind it at all. And I'm just going to really just stamp this in. You see the difference? So I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of Main Squeeze, which is the lighter shimmery gold. And I'm just going to, oh wow, I'm not sure if that picked up, but that is pretty intense. I'm just putting that right here. It's picking up, it's looking a little more silver than I'm liking. So I may go in with the more gold, but it's really pretty. I'm just going to stamp this on. Let's go in with a little bit of this citrus shade right here. And I'm just going to stamp that on. So I think I want to try to intensify that yellow. So I'm going back in with the yellow, and I'm just going in with a Morphe E18 brush. And I'm going to dampen on my brush a little bit. There is some fallout from that shimmer, so I'm trying to get that off so it doesn't just bake into my foundation. So dampening my brush definitely helped a lot. It's not extremely vibrant, but it definitely made a difference, especially in person. So I feel like I'm kind of all over the place, but I was planning on doing white liner in my waterline, but I just remembered that I had this neon yellow eyeliner. This is from LA Girl, the Shockwave, and I haven't tried this color on. I have used a couple of their other colors and I really like it. So use it and see how it goes. And this is in the shade Screaming. So I'm liking the way that looks. So the eyes are pretty much completed. I decided to skip out on top liner and false lashes. I just wanted to keep everything pretty simple. So far, I'm really loving the look. Everything just looks really clean, really fresh, really bright. And I just wanted to keep it still more on the natural side. I know a lot of people aren't really into bright, extreme makeup looks, so if you are one of those people, this look is going to be perfect for you. I also wanted to really try out this mascara. This is from Monica Dar. This is a Bloom Volumizing Mascara. I got this in one of my previous my previous BoxyCharm boxes, and my first time using it, and I do really like it. I don't feel like it's doing much for my lashes, but it's not clumpy at all. So I feel like if you have really long lashes, you're going to love this mascara. But yeah, everything looks pretty simple, pretty nice. I'm really happy with everything. So I'm just gonna move on to the rest of my face. So I just added a little bit extra bronzer. This is from MAC, the Mineralize SkinFinish in medium deep. And I'm just using a really fluffy, soft fan brush. This I got from a hair show a really long time ago. So it just says C143 Deluxe Soft Fan Brush. So for highlighter, I'm gonna use this Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter. And I'm using my Morphe Y14 brush. I really just want more of a subtle highlight, and I think this is perfect. And for my blush, I am going in with Tarte Exposed. I'm only using a very small amount. This will be enough for both sides. And I only want to put this on the apples of my cheek. So this is the completed look, and before I forget, on my lips I went in with MAC's Whirl Lip Liner. I also used their new Powder Kiss lipstick. This is in the shade Fall in Love, and it's a really bright pink. It's absolutely beautiful. It feels really good on the lips. And then I wanted something a little more glossy, so I just grabbed whatever lip gloss was near me, and I had this Lip Smackers in the scent Tropical Punch, and just kind of added a very small amount just to give it a really nice glossy feel. Overall, I was really happy and impressed with this palette. I figured I was going to like it just because I tried the Soda Pop palette and I really liked that one as well. But I think I'm liking this a lot more. The colors just went on really nice. Everything just, I don't know, it's definitely giving me a lot of summer vibes. And yeah, I don't really have anything else to say, but it was a really good palette. Definitely worth $10. I believe that's how much I paid for it, but normally, of course, depending on where you go, you can always get these palettes and drugstore products on sale, so it could be a lot cheaper. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon. Oh, and don't forget to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.